This is going to be a tutorial on how to upgrade a normal UPS. Now, you get all these types of inverters and things like that will allow you to use it for standby and also for power outage. Now, not many people know that most common UPS really won't say that expensive, but a good quality one will contain a pure sine wave inverter. I know there's going to be people out there that's going to correct me about this, but yeah, this is what I've gotten from my research. And you want a pure wave sine inverter to run your electronic equipment, especially for backups and when the power's out. But this is just your normal, simple, ordinary, small UPS, which will only give you about maybe 15 minutes on one of these batteries. But you can add a fan to the UPS and some more batteries, and then you'll expand your UPS power, the duty cycle. But there is some drawbacks to this. Some UPS won't handle the extra amps. Also, its charging will take much longer because it's got much more batteries to charge. So for this project, I've got 12 of these 7 amp hour batteries laying around. For this project, what you'll require is some cable. I've got black for my negative and blue for my positive, and these are 1.2 millimeter squared cable. You'll also need a crimper, something to strip the wire cutters, and some of these terminals for the batteries. And also what you'll need, there's simpler ways to do this, but this is what I did. I added the fan, but with the fan I added a small control circuit. Now all that this circuit does is slow down and speed up the fan as the heatsink's temperature increase and decrease. So what this helps me to accomplish is that the fan doesn't run all the time at full speed, so you don't get that annoying noise from the fan. But if you like the noise, you can just hook the fan directly to a 12 volt power supply. So one of the first things that I'm going to do is actually open these holes over here, which actually got a small gap, but yeah, I'm going to open them completely so that when the fan pushes the air through, it's got somewhere to escape. Okay. After I opened the holes, I've threaded through the power cables for the battery and for the fan's control. So now I have to see how I'm going to modify this so that the air can be sucked through it. Okay, that didn't turn out too bad. And also one more other mod that you will have to do to this type of UPS, especially if it doesn't have a silent alarm button, is actually to remove the small buzzer, which on my UPS it was located there, and then it won't beep every couple of seconds when it's on battery power. Okay, now that the UPS is all modded, the wires are out here and it's back closed up. You can see it from the front side. And when you run the cables, make sure that this ribbon cable doesn't interfere with the fan at all. So when this is all done, you can come over to battery side and you will make loops like this for all of the batteries, and there's 12 of them. After you hooked up everything, all the batteries, you can start testing. One thing that I did do is I added a 10 amp fuse to each bank. So a bank, it consists of 4 batteries. So there's 3 banks, 3 fuses, just to protect the batteries. And as you can see, it's running at this moment with just about 12.5-ish volts. You can see UPS running, the fan's running with a load on. You can see the lights blinking but no buzzing sound, because we did remove the buzzer, otherwise it would have been buzzing. Here's a simple program. It is freeware, so I'm not promoting anything, but this is what I used. It is WindPower, and it's just a simple program to monitor the batteries voltage, the load, charging state, and also I can set parameters for it to safely shut down the PC before the batteries get too low. So yeah, it's been running for a couple of minutes now, but one thing you'll notice, the voltage is a bit low, but these batteries have been standing around for a month or two now, so they need a charge. But as I said, it will take some time to fully charge the whole battery bank, because it is a couple of more times than what the UPS was made for. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you would like to see more videos up and coming on this channel, please subscribe, and see you next time.